Hello everyone, have a great day. In the process of caring for and propagating roses, utilizing familiar natural materials from everyday life is becoming a popular trend. Due to its safety, cost-effectiveness, and sustainable effectiveness. Today, we will explore a rather special method of rose cutting propagation, which stimulates rapid root growth, helping the plant develop healthily from the very beginning. First, prepare a healthy rose cutting that is free from pests and diseases and of the right age. This is very important because cuttings that are too young are prone to rotting, while cuttings that are too old are difficult to root. After selecting a suitable cutting, remove all leaves and thorns to reduce water loss and avoid damage during processing. At the same time, trim the rose stem to about 20 centimeters to ensure nutrient concentration at the base, where new roots will form. Next, prepare a chicken egg, wash the outside thoroughly, and separate the yolk and white. In this method, the egg yolk is used because it contains a lot of protein, lipids, and micronutrients beneficial for cell development. Simultaneously, prepare a fresh lemon, wash it, and cut it in half. Then, squeeze all the lemon juice into the cup containing the egg yolk. Remove the seeds to avoid affecting the solution. Stir the mixture well to create a nutrient-rich, slightly acidic solution that helps disinfect and stimulate root tissue growth. Soak the rose stem in this solution for about 15 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate the base of the stem. While waiting, don't discard the lemon peel. Chop it into small pieces and put it in a clean plastic cup. Then, prepare about to ripe tomatoes, wash them, chop them into small pieces, and add them to the lemon peel. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, and contain natural enzymes that promote plant metabolism. Next, add about 5 tablespoons of rice and 500 milliliters of warm water to a cup. Stir well and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Rice water contains starch, B vitamins, and minerals, which nourish beneficial microorganisms and support root formation. After soaking, filter out the solids to obtain the tomato, lemon peel, and rice water solution. This nutrient-rich solution acts as a natural bio-fertilizer for the cuttings. Then, prepare a clean plastic cup and fill it with treated river sand, free from impurities and pathogens. River sand has good aeration, allowing young roots to develop easily without waterlogging. Remove the rose cutting from the egg and lemon solution, then insert it into the center of the cup of sand, ensuring the base is fully submerged in the substrate. Continue pouring the prepared nutrient solution into the cup, using just enough to keep it moist, avoiding excessive wetting that could cause the cutting to rot. To create a stable environment in terms of humidity and temperature, use another clear plastic cup to cover the outside, like a mini greenhouse. Place the cup in a cool, airy place, away from direct sunlight and strong winds, to ensure the best conditions for rooting. After about 10 days of proper care, the rose cutting will begin to show noticeable changes. New shoots will appear, lush green, plump, and full of vitality. Simultaneously, new roots will form and develop evenly around the base, healthy white roots firmly anchoring the cutting. This indicates that the rooting process has been successful and the plant is ready for the next stage of development. Once the roots are established, gently transfer the plant to a larger part with a loose, porous substrate such as coconut, fiber, or a nutrient-rich soil mixture. In the initial period after a planting, it's necessary to maintain moderate humidity, avoid harsh sunlight, and provide adequate nutrients to help the plant quickly adapt to its new environment. It can be seen that propagating roses using natural ingredients such as chicken eggs, lemons, tomatoes, and rice water is not only highly effective, but also very environmentally friendly. This method is not only simple and easy to implement, but also provides many natural nutrients that increase the success rate of propagation. Utilizing readily available nutrients reduces costs and limits the use of chemicals, contributing to a safe and sustainable farming ecosystem. Hopefully, with this detailed guide, you can confidently apply it and successfully propagate your favorite rose plants. Wishing you a lush, vibrant garden full of flowers and life every day.